messages for your loved ones?
Good luck, Patch.
Any messages for anyone?
Yeah.
Where do we go? Nobody knows. I've gotta say I'm on my way down. God give me style and give me grace. God put a smile upon my face. Where do we go to draw the line? I've gotta say I wasted all your time. Oh, honey, honey, where do I go to fall from grace? God put a smile upon your face. Yeah. Now say you're on your way down when God gave you style and gave you grace and put a smile upon your face. Oh yeah. Now when you work it out, I'm worse than you. It's as good as mine. It's as good as mine. It's as good as mine. As good as mine. Where do we go? Nobody knows. Don't ever say you're on your way down when God gave you style and gave you grace and put a smile upon your face.